By the end of this video, you will know how to block time on your calendar in Clio Manage. Something. Start from Clio Manage while you are already logged in. From the left-hand navigation menu, click Calendar to open your calendar view. This is where you will create the time block and later confirm that it appears in the right place. Nanda por data sedan. To begin the event, click New Event. You can also click directly on the date and time on the calendar where you want to block time. Either option opens the event form, so use the one that matches how you prefer to work on the calendar. In the event name field, enter a title for the block. This can be something like focus time, unavailable, meeting, or out of office. Use a name that makes the purpose of the block clear when you look at your schedule later. Next, set the start date and time. This defines when the block time begins, so check that both the date and the hour are correct before moving on. After that, set the end date and time. This determines how long the block will stay on your calendar. If you're creating a longer block, take a moment to confirm the full time range. If your account gives you access to more than one calendar in Clio Manage, select the appropriate calendar for this event. This matters if you manage separate calendars and want the block time to appear in the right one. Make sure you choose the correct calendar before saving, since that is an easy detail to miss. You can then add any extra event information you need. Depending on how you use Clio Manage, that might include a description, a location, a matter, or attendees. Add only the details that are relevant for this block of time so the event contains the information you want without extra clutter. After that, configure any reminders you want for the event. This is useful if you want to notice before the block time begins. Set the reminder options that match how you want to be alerted. Once everything is filled in, review the event details. Check the name, the date and time range, the selected calendar, and any additional information or reminders. When everything looks correct, click Save Event to add the block time to your calendar. Then return to the calendar view and confirm that the event appears on the correct date and at the correct time. This final check helps make sure the block was saved as expected and placed where you intended on your schedule. Thanks for watching. Your block time now appears on your Clio Manage calendar at the selected date and time.